Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Pro, and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's choose settings right here, then you have to scroll down, and here let's choose the lock screen and password, the first one. Choose the screen lock and fingerprint. So we have to choose the form of the screen lock right here. Let's select pattern, pin or password. In my case it could be pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern and let's do it again just for confirmation right here. Now you can add your fingerprint. So let's place your fingerprint on your sensor. This is the sensor. And let's save your fingerprint. Let me do it. Let's press it a couple of times. And you are ready to rock. Now you can unlock your device with your fingerprint. Let's tap OK. So if you would like to lock your device, let's press the power key. And now if you would like to unlock it, you can of course enter the standard pattern, or you can do it by using your fingerprint. Let me select it. Excellent. You may also add some other fingerprint and change some settings about the screen lock protections. And basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.